Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing formula to remove skin tags permanently overnight, guys, and you can get rid of this kind of mole or skin tag without any pain or going to doctor or kind of doing any surgery or anything. With very simple ingredients, guys, this causes it to dry out naturally and to get rid of it without any kind of problem and without leaving a scar on your skin. So this amazing remedy, guys, by using it you will get rid of the skin tag, the mole, naturally. So the first thing we will need to prepare it is garlic, and we need 1 clove of garlic, and we'll need a shredder to shred the garlic. Garlic, guys, is a natural antibacterial, and it has natural properties that will help you get rid of this problem. So once you shred the garlic, you will end up actually with a very fine minced garlic or kind of paste, garlic paste. So guys, so many friends tried this and they saw way better effects than products that brought from pharmacy, which is actually costing. So we will end up with very little bit of minced garlic, like so, because we actually need a small quantity for the mole. And then, guys, we'll need to add on the garlic half teaspoon of toothpaste, like so, and place it on the garlic like this. And then, my friends, we will need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half and add just a few drops and mix the ingredients very well. This is how it will look. Now apply on the mole like so, and apply like a thick coat like this, and place on it like a plaster or a kind of medical plaster to leave it leave it first to dry out, and then place kind of plaster on it and leave it overnight, guys. This is how it will work. You will actually feel something when you put it in. It feels kind of cold a little bit, and then it will be dried out. It will dry out the mole, and it will remove the skin tag naturally, guys. If you do have several skin tags, you can make a bigger quantity and apply on it. Garlic has natural enzymes and natural antibacterial, and helps a lot with this because you usually get the skin tag from blood pressure and sun. So guys, once you apply this on it, it will kind of dry out naturally and it will be easily removed. Leave it overnight, guys. This is very important. And if it didn't dry out completely, just don't try to scrub it because or kind of remove it, because it's going to leave a mark. Apply the remedy again and again until it dries out completely and it peels off away and it goes away without a scar. So that was it, guys, today. I hope the video will help you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon, leave a nice comment in the comment section, and let me know what you want to see on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.